Today I'm teaching you how to transform Grimlock and Ironhide into robots. These are my Transformers collections. These are my Dinobot collection. And these are my Autobots collection. And these are my Decepticons collections. This is Ironhide. Do you guys think this is a normal fire truck? No, this is a robot fire truck. Whoa! Check out this fire truck. First step, pull the feet. Alright, just like this. Next step, pull out the sides. Like this. Okay, next step, pull out the feet. Like this. Next step, close up the feet like this. Okay, next step, pull the door to the feet like this. Next step, pull out the front over here like this. Next step, turn the body like this. Next step, pull the arm like this. Next step, pull out the chest. Next step, pull out the head. Pull the head like this. Next step, pull this up. Next step, close it, the chest. And this is Ironhide. Wait, don't forget also the pistol gun. Oh no. And that is Ironhide. The arm can move straight and forward. The feet can move like this. That's nice. The head can look around. back and forward. And that's pretty much Ironhide. To see I transform Grimlock, watch my next video. Do you guys want to see more of Transformer video? Please subscribe to my channel. Suleiman style.